Hey everyone, here's a quick video on how the door lock annunciator lights work on a Citation Excel or an XLS. There's 6 indicator lights next to the door, and the significance of them is that the most outer extreme indicator lights on the far left, the far right, indicate the pin position for the physical pins in the upper part of the door as well as the bottom 2 pins in the door. And the top center indicator light indicates the position of the door lock, and then the lower center position of the indicator lights indicates the position of the vent door. So the vent door is used to ensure that the cabin is fully depressurized before allowing the door to open, so that if for some reason there's a glitch in the system and the cabin is still pressurized after parking, that the plane will completely depressurize before the door is released, because if it didn't have that safety mechanism as a backup, it would be possible to have the plane pressurized and then have the door sort of explosively come down without having that pressure release. So what I'll do is I'll close the door and then open it again in a slow sequence here so you can see what the lights do. The door is closed and on the pre-catch right now, meaning that if I push on the door, it's not going to open, but it's also not locked or latched. So now I'll take the lock and slowly move it to the lock position. And what you'll see is the lower pins will engage first. There's 1 pin, there's 2 pins. I'm doing this very slowly. Then the upper pins will engage, and the door will the lock light will extinguish, meaning that the lock is engaged. And then the last item you'll see is that an electric solenoid drives the vent door closed to allow the airplane to be pressurized for flight. So here come the pins and the lock. There's the pins, there's the lock, and that little click is the electric solenoid pushing the vent door closed. Now I'm going to slowly unlock the door. And the first indication you'll see is that the top center light illuminates to show that I've started to unlock the door, like that. And then the pins will come next. There's the top pins. And then the vent door and the bottom pins will come last. So the vent door is opened manually when we exit the airplane, and it's electrically closed when we close the door to fly. Here come the last pins plus the vent door. Just like that. When we talk about potential problems that we could have with getting the door closed before flight, if any of these lights were to remain illuminated, of course the door would be unsafe for flight. And one of the most common problems you might find would be the vent door not being securely closed in case the solenoid gets stuck or fails. And if that were to be stuck open, the cabin wouldn't be able to be pressurized. But the nice thing with this is that it's just simply a little manual door that can be physically closed if the solenoid doesn't work. And the way that works is it can be pushed closed by hand through a little access panel down here to the lower portion of the stairway. We can unscrew this plug, and when we unscrew this plug, the vent door can be pushed closed, and then from that point forward, air pressure inside the cabin would hold the vent door closed and allow the cabin to remain pressurized. And of course, when we go to open the door at the end of the flight, it would physically open and wouldn't rely on the solenoid to be open, because the door handle would physically push it open and depressurize the airplane without relying on the solenoid.